So here I have a large aloe vera leaf. I got this from Food Max up here in the Bay Area. They usually cost about $1.25 to $2. Then I have 2 mason jars from Safeway. And I got a fake milk bag. This really eco-friendly produce bag, but we gonna make it do what it don't. You can probably get that online. And then I got a cup of water. So I'm gonna go ahead and splice up the leaf. Then I'm gonna cut the ends off so that I don't cut myself. And I'm going to get the skin off of the inside. So with the leaves, I usually use that as a mask. It's a natural humectant, so I'm gonna put that on and wear it while I blend my aloe vera gel. Alright, so back to the gel. We're gonna stick it in the blender. Add some water. All that pulp, that's what we're gonna try to get out. So you're gonna take the milk bag, stick it inside of the mason jar. It's gonna go real cute. And then you're gonna wanna pour the gel in there, pour it in parts to make it easier. Then you're gonna try to squeeze the aloe vera gel through the bag. Now this first round is gonna be kind of hard because that's when most of the pulp is coming out. It's gonna get really messy. And I know how it looks, but aloe vera is not sticky at all. It's really easy to clean up. So after that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and pass it through again. As you can see, when I squeeze this time, it's not about to be that hard, but it got a little messy. But we got it right back together.
I'll show your motherfucking legs and back.
What is going on?
Alright, so I got smart and got a bowl. I'm gonna pass it through one more time. Like this. And as you can see, the pulp isn't really there no more. Which is really important because you don't want pulp in your hair. And there you have it, your very own aloe vera gel. So that is how I make my quick and easy aloe vera gel. It's literally aloe vera and water. I made it into a spray once. That didn't turn out the greatest. But dipping my fingers in and just spreading it on my hair works just fine for me. Yeah, stay tuned. I will make a video on how I actually retwist my hair. Like, comment, subscribe, vote, do good things, be nice, all that good shit. Do what you want to do. Just don't hurt nobody. Anyway, bye.